Girl, hey, do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a small dog.
Oh, nice. What is his name?
Boy, his name is Rocky.
Cute name. Is he friendly?
Yes, he is very friendly.
Does he play a lot daily?
Yes, he loves running outside.
Dogs enjoy playing in parks.
Yes, he loves open spaces.
Do you give him treats?
Yes, I give small treats daily.
That must make him happy.
Yes, he jumps around excitedly.
I want a cat someday.
Cats are calm and quiet.
Yes, I like calm pets.
Cats also love warm places.
Do you take your dog walking?
Yes, I walk him every evening.
Evening walks feel very nice.
Yes, it relaxes both of us.
Does he bark at strangers?
Only a little, not too much.
That is good and safe.
Yes, he is friendly mostly.
I will get a pet soon.
That's great. Pets bring joy.
Yes, they make life bright.
True, they feel like family.
Okay, I must go now.
All right, talk to you later.
Sure, have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Bye. Bye.